Hi. Um, this is a Vonage overview setup. It's this class of tool, could be RingCentral, Phone Burner, Uma, right? Vonage. Typically, they have a outside web thing where you have to go in and create an office account, like Vonage.com, Flower Shop, and you configure it. Then in Salesforce, you can upload their installed package, right? And in Salesforce, you then create a soft phone. You enable soft phone. Why is it soft phone? Because it's not a hard phone. It's a soft phone, software phone, right? And then third is you have a Chrome extension that pops out in the window. That is your link between the outside website, right? Chrome and Salesforce. All right, let's take a look at the setup. Here, let me just get out of the way. Here is the basic setup, right? Here's the Vonage setup, which you go through user permissions, who is the super user, who's the admin, all those things that you need to do, right? That's the key, right? How are you going to configure this, right? Who's responsible for it? What about routing? What happens? Is it call forwarding? What is it, right? Here, for instance, is the basic setup, right? What kind of extensions? Do you need new extensions? What roles get what? This is the basic, desktop with last names, first names, calls. And here, for instance, let me get myself out of the way again, is the Chrome extension down here, right? That pops in the window now that you've linked it into the Salesforce org. And here, for instance, is either an email, click to email, or click to call. So you can do both. Sign in to Vonage, which links you into the Vonage backend and also puts you right into Salesforce, right? And then you just click to call, click to call. Could be your cell phone, right? Doesn't matter. You can spoof any number pretty much. And this is your basic setup. And here, for instance, is click to call me. Now, right on the website here in A, you can say, what are the business apps? Business inbox, like a general one, or click to call me, click, call me. Where do you want to do that? On the website, in an email, or both? A hyperlink or HTML. HTML is, it's the language for websites versus to make it, not websites, forms. To make it pretty, it's CSS, which is the fluffy code, right? The colors. Receptionist console, smart account, etc. Right? This is pretty basic stuff, but it's call forwarding. If a call comes in, do you want to forward it to your cell, or maybe after hours you want to forward it to a general voicemail? Select an extension. Here, for instance, this is the Salesforce call log right here. Call centers. What version is this? Remember, I was telling you about that. So here, again, configure the shared line appearance. Like, how does this appear, right? When somebody comes in, how does it look? Make and receive calls. And here, it's assigning users in Salesforce to different Vonage numbers and their cell phones. And because you can have like call groups, like if one person doesn't pick up, it goes to the second person after, say, 2 rings. If the second person doesn't pick up, it goes to the third ring. Like service level commitments, like we'll call you back in an hour, right? They have paging groups, all that stuff, call monitoring. Now they have AI overlay, right? Is irate? What's the key thing? And this is, again, call centers in Salesforce, soft phone, remember? This is the Vonage dialer tool right here. And the display, and what's the height of the soft phone? That's the height of the Chrome extension inside the browser, right? And then who are the people? And here, for instance, here is web to call. Let me get out of the way here. Click to call me, and that's it. So again, what are the key things? 1, main Vonage headquarters website account. 2, install it in Salesforce, create a soft phone. There's a whole bunch of videos on that. 3, have a Chrome extension that links, is the link, so you can click email, click whatever. Most of your controls are going to be off Salesforce in the Vonage cloud.